Hey guys, today it's 7th September and today I'm packing for the UK trip which I'm going to. It's not a trip, by the way. I got into LSE. If you did not already watch my reaction video, which is super cool, so I'm very excited, but there's a lot of stuff which I need to pack. I ordered so much from Amazon, so let's get started. These are all the suitcases that I got. So I got like the set of these three, one of them, these two, and this is another one which they've already started packing. This is all the stuff that I got from Amazon and Mini. So I'm just going to show like a quick haul to you guys. This huge box that I got from Amazon, it has all of the skincare, cosmetics and everything that I will take with me. So first thing that I got is this like travel bag. So it has 3 pouches. Just going to show it to you. This is what it looks like. It's an essential. I think you should buy it too. By the way, all the links of all the things that I bought with me to travel will be in the description, so you can go and check it out. Obviously I'll link it in my Amazon page as well. It has like, it comes in these 3 pouches and it smells so good. It's very aesthetic, so obviously it matches my vibe as well. So I also got these jumbo sized vacuum bags along with this pump. It'll occupy less space, so obviously it makes sense. I got these from Amazon, link in the description as always. Then I got so many of these period panties which I'll just put in this vacuum bag. Then I also got these towels. I got these tempered for my phones, and I got these ones from Amazon, and I also got a memory card from my camera. Then I did not buy a GoPro here because it's very expensive here and it's cheaper in the UK, so I'll buy it there. It's even cheaper in the America, I don't know why, but again. And then a super important thing to carry, which is this universal charger, and I got this one in pink color just to like, just that it's distinguishable from the other ones. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So aesthetic, like Barbie aesthetic, you know. I love this. I also got this tempered for my iPad because I usually change it like once or twice a year. These are 2 packs, last at least a year. And for some reason I don't know why I have Fevistick here, but I also got that. I also got passport holder, wallet and a few other stuff.
It's so comfortable. No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to get a haircut today because my hair are growing quite long. And you know I always get a haircut, and it's also quite expensive in London, so I'm just going to get my haircut done.
Believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. Gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right.
So guys, these are my latest hair. They look fine. I mean, they will last approx like 3-5 months, 6 months maybe, if we're looking at the long term. Short hair just like makes my face look a bit fat than it actually is. But I still like them because they're easy to manage and they're pretty gay too.
So lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken
Hey guys, so I'm in the train now and I'm just seated. My siblings, Vinayak and Mom are sitting there, and my yeah, and I have my travel pillow this time, so I don't have to go anywhere. Comfy. We're just in Delhi and I'm at the airport line with my luggage. We have a lot of luggage, but the lighting is so good here. I love this.
seems to
I
hold
also
me
got a
like
call
you
from Air
do.
India saying that I have photo service as well, which is a relief because you
You're
cannot
so
imagine carrying all that stuff around.
A star could never
Without breaking my
shine as
hands on
bright
it.
as you.
It's true.
Shine as bright as you.
We also got a photo service here. I don't know. They asked for some money, and it was good. They are also buying us the tickets, so we don't need to like worry about anything.
With you, lucky I met you. And
I'm in the metro. It's a bit loud. Oh, actually very quiet. My parents are very loud.
you must have fell from the sky. And
Just look at the sky, it's so clear. I haven't seen this clear sky in Delhi for a really long time because like it's so polluted, and because of the G20 everything is already closed.
दरवाजे बाईं ओर खुलेंगे.
how gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel.
So guys, I'm at the hotel now. We've checked in. There's 2 rooms which are joined, so this is the first room, that is the other room. But anyways, I'll not even sleep here. I'll leave at midnight for the airport because my flight is at 6:30 in the morning. So it's very near. The airport is very near from here. This is the view from my room. So green. That's the pool. It's so deep that I won't go. I really want to, but I won't go into the 3-meter deep area. I'll just be like in the kiddie side of the pool because yeah, it's super beautiful. So this is the entrance, and then here we have the racks and closet. Then here's all the stuff like the tea and stuff. This is the whole room. That's my dad, by the way. This bed is for my twin siblings, and this is my small bed where I've kept my stuff. I mean, it's a pretty decent room, and I'm very tired. I'll just sleep for a little while because I seriously did not sleep at all. I'm very tired, not kidding. And then I have to go to London where I have to keep all of my stuff. And then when I go to London, you'll see me land, but you'll also see me. Firstly, we'll check into an Airbnb because our home tenure starts from September 15th. So the first few days we'll live in an Airbnb, and then we'll sort of move into that apartment that we have. Not an apartment, not American, flat, studio flat that we have. Those are my siblings walking. So guys, now I'm going to have my lunch. Yeah.
I met you. It's not logical. The way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room. It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light.
So guys, time for lunch. I'm hungry. Hi, Mama.
Can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses.
Currently it is 3 a.m. and my flight departs at 6:30. So I need to reach the airport at least 3 years prior to the departure. 3 years, sorry, 3 hours. 3 hours prior to the departure.
You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you.
I'm at the airport now, Terminal 3, and I'm just waiting for the porter to just help me carry the luggage. I've added it to the trolley right now, but I don't think I'll be able to carry it, so they'll help me out with the process. Flight information here. Which one is mine? I guess these are like, most of them are domestic flights. Bye, Vinayak. My luggage is now checked in. I'm going to get the security check and the immigration and all of that, whatever is required to get that checked right now. And yeah, it's quite cold but good. Security, no, the immigration check done. Now it's the security check, so I'm going there. That was really fast for some reason, really fast.
I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel
Finally inside the lounge. I'm just chilling. Like the check-in was super fast for some reason. I don't know. Like usually, I guess like business class has its perks, obviously, but it was like extra quick. And they also have the counters for G20 delegates, especially for them. It's super cool because like it was very crowded and the tickets are also very expensive because of G20. Yeah, so there's that.
it's so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light.
Guys, finally it's time for me to onboard the flight. I'm just going. It departs in 1 hour and the place is like a 13 minutes walk from the lounge. We're just walking there.
Can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I
So guys, I'm in the flight right now. It's obviously very quiet news. I have to speak about it slowly, but let me show you the view. It's super amazing. My seat is next to the washroom, like the second seat from the washroom. So I picked it before actually flying. So this is something that you can do too. It's better this way because I got the window seat.
even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you.
I also got the orange juice. Very sour. So the welcome drinks, I was given this hand towel which I could use to wipe my hands and my face. This towel was a bit warm, so that was good. And then the flight took off. Sorry about this footage. It is a little bit shaky because the plane was just taking off and I could not hold my hand still. This was the view after we took off and we were above the clouds. It was just so cool. I've never really been into that many flights. This was kind of new for me. And then we got this breakfast menu. I could choose anything that I want off this menu, and they also had all these options for the chair which could like go back, it could become a bed, and then they also had this massage option that was really cool. And then I decided to watch some TV. So this time I actually picked the movie called Interstellar by Christopher Nolan. I had never watched this movie and I really wanted to try it, so I just put my headphones on. And then I also got this To Me travel kit. This travel kit consisted of a pen, a thank you note, then the face mask. They also gave me socks. If I was warm throughout the journey, I could just wear these socks, which was really cool. I did not wear them because I already had one on. And then they also gave this fridge magnet for some reason. They gave me a skincare kit and also a dental hygiene kit. Again, super fancy. I'm not used to this kind of treatment, so it was very new to me. And then they also gave me slippers. After that, I just watched a bit of TV while laying down and like chilling in my bed / sofa cum bed. And then I also turned on the massage option because like why not just take advantage of everything that Air India had to offer. After that, I just drank my banana smoothie, which was again super delicious. They bought me this full-fledged breakfast which contained like a croissant, a fruit salad, yogurt, bread butter, like this bread thing which I don't know, I did not like that very much. And then this whole South Indian meal which consists of vada, sevai, utpam, and like sambar, and the smoothie that I ordered. It was all so delicious. I just I'm feeling hungry after editing this video because it was just so good. And then they also dimmed the lights so that everyone could sleep, and while I was sleeping. I just woke up and I saw there were lights all over the roof, which was like really cool. After waking up, I ordered a mojito. They also had like alcoholic and non-alcoholic options. I just got the non-alcoholic one because I don't want to be drunk in the flight, like while reaching London. And they got the entree, which was this burrata salad, is what that they call it. It had like these tomatoes and this cheese thing. It was like not that good, to be very honest. My Indian taste buds could never. And then they also gave us this garlic bread, the bread and butter thing, and they also gave us this raita, and I had my mojito. They also bought the lunch, which was again like super delicious. I could order anything off the menu. I just ordered the vegetarian Hindu meal, where they had like 2 sabzis and the paratha and rice. They also bought dessert, which was the mango delight. But after that I reached London, and I just sat on the bus. This took me really long because the UK borders time thing, it just takes like an hour for the other nationalities people who have the weaker passports. So guys, finally I'm in London. That was one hell of a trip. The trip was fine, the airline was fine, everything was great up until I landed here, and after that it all went down the shit. Seriously, because like firstly in the UK borders you have to get your clearance done. It was such a long line that I had to wait for 1 hour, and then I had to get my baggage, which I could not find for another half hour, and after that could not load it onto the cart, which took another like 15 minutes. Then I met my sister, who is here by the way. I told her to book a cab. Cabs are very expensive in London, but I told her that because we have so much luggage, let's book a cab. Like it will cost what, £80 or something, but let's book it this time for only like once, because there's so much luggage we cannot carry it. She did not listen to me, and then she took me to the bus, where we had to wait for another 45 minutes. That was fine. We sat on the bus, but bus ride was good. We saw we saw London through the windows, which was good. Everything was great till then. She took me to Victoria, and then she said we have to take the train. I was like halfway crying because I was so tired, and these bags are so heavy and I have to carry it around. So firstly I had to walk the street with these heavy bags, and after that, like, keep in mind one bag is 32 kg. We had 2 32 kg bags and 2 12 kg bags, and my own weight is only 45 kg, by the way. So the luggage was more heavy than me, and I had to carry that. And then I went to the platform, and then she says that the train is not coming on this platform, it's coming on another platform. So I had to go to the other platform, and then I was like, I am done, I'm not doing this, book a cab. Then we had to wait for another 45 minutes for another cab, and then finally one guy, the decent guy, accepted. And then we came out here after like 1 hour. And then my sister is such an idiot. What she did, she lost her bag, she lost her purse, she lost it in the cab. Thankfully the cab driver was good, he came back and gave her the bag. Otherwise we would have been, I'm not even kidding.
They still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you.
Apparently this palace has 775 rooms, and the first person to live here was Queen Victoria. Now I don't know which Queen Victoria because there's so many of them, but at least one of them started the trend. First one, I guess.
I think that.
Yeah, the Queen Victoria first. Yeah. It's so beautiful, especially the weather. It's so nice, but it keeps changing. Like sometimes it's sunny and sometimes it's like windy, so that's kind of unpredictable.
The UK weather is very moody.
As you saw, firstly we went to the Buckingham Palace, and then this was the thing which was right in front of it. I forgot the name, but the weather was just like so beautiful at that time. They had sun, which is like a rare thing in the UK, because after like spending 15 days or something, I just know the weather is super moody, as my sister just said. And then we went to the Big Ben, and it was just so beautiful. This was like my favorite place out of all the places that I went to, and this is when I felt like yeah, I am in London. After that we went to the London Eye, which was again super nice. I really wanted to go to the Eye actually, but it was very expensive, so I did not. Maybe later. And then lastly we went to the Tower Bridge. Now this is my everyday route to go to my university, so I'm very used to it, but again it's super beautiful. I also saw the Shard building, super beautiful again. And that is all. I really hope you all like this video. Sorry about this video because it was really long and it was very raw as well, because I really wanted it to show the emotions that I felt. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.